So I want to start off with this is the little tiny screwdriver that came in a furniture box, and it didn't even make it through the job. It bent, slipped, and basically broke and gave up. This is the usual moment where a project either stops completely or turns into complete frustration, but I no longer have that issue because Prostormer actually sent me months ago this toolkit, and it is my go-to. I reach for it all the time. I use it for every furniture assembly. I use it for home projects. I do it for everything. This little case stays with me all the time. The first thing you're going to notice is that the tools actually feel solid. When you pick them up, they have weight to them. The screwdriver doesn't flex, the grip feels comfortable, and it actually fits the screw the way it's supposed to. I switched over and finished the same project with these tools. It was like night and day. No slipping, no struggling, no worrying about the tool breaking mid-use. It's got a variety of different tools in here. I mean, just use whatever you need. This is a complete kit. This has got screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, sockets, a tape measure. It's all here. The toolbox itself keeps everything organized, which matters because when tools are just tossed in a drawer, you never use them. Here, you can actually see what you have. This is something that I would recommend to anyone.